Good morning and welcome back to another vlog. Today I'm gonna do what I ate in a day, and for breakfast I'm having some delicious caramel latte and Asiago cheese bagel with cream cheese and butter. So good. Coffee is so good. It's a decaf coffee. Oh, so yummy. And the bagel. Guys, it is around 11:30. I'm having my mid-morning snack. For my mid-morning snack I have grapefruit, sliced grapefruit that I'm gonna be eating. It's so sweet and so delicious, so it's the perfect snack. So juicy. We have leftover red kidney beans and cottage cheese curry, and then we are making fresh cauliflower, potato, onion and tomato mixture veggie that we are gonna eat with paratha. So that is going to be my lunch. I'm gonna take a little bit of both. My plate is ready for lunch and it's going to be super delicious. For dinner I made chicken soup with couscous, carrot, onion, peas, ginger, garlic, some spices and turmeric, and it's just gonna be so good. On the side I have some french fries, just and that's it. This is going to be my dinner. For dessert I don't know what I'm gonna do yet, but yeah, very simple, very quick and extremely delicious soup. It's like a cozy comfort kind of meal. For dessert I had dark chocolate sea salt caramel from Ghirardelli. It was so good. Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed today's what I ate in a day. This is not something typical that I eat every day. It's just very realistic and how it depends on my mood, what I want to eat, what I don't want to eat. And yeah, that's it. We'll see you guys in my next vlog. Until then, bye bye.